Some of my kit birds, Boston Ripping Rollers, the hawk just spooked them. The kit broke up. Yeah, they're all over the place. I wish I was in the fly, but I didn't have enough birds. It sucks. Now, what are you gonna do? All you can do is keep trying. Next year, I'll have some other birds. I'll have some more youngsters, and I'll break them in and get them kitten. Now I'm getting dizzy. All right, Boston Ripping Rollers signing off. Here's my my double kit box here. You know, film the birds in here. This is the coop. It's my breeding section. I got air, so the air will go through the nest boxes. I got the holes there, so I can get a crossbreed. All through it, there's a hole. And this is my my other little section to put the cocks to the hens. And then I got this section here that I've got to build. Just want to separate the cocks and hens. The reason why I do not separate is because I got youngsters in here. Take a look at the youngsters. This is a black and white hen. Mated to, where is he? There's a cockbird in the middle. Double or triple dilute. And then here's a brown spread with this youngster. And there's the cockbird at the end there. I don't know what this little guy is doing in there, but that's a hen on one youngster. The cockbird's right there, next to the double dilute, triple dilute, the lace. And then I got 2 white bars. This is the last round. There's the hen with the cock. The cock is right there at the end. And let me get this youngster out of here before he gets beat up. The youngster I just got off of Tony Souza. Right there, there's his mother. Tony gave me the bird, and then he wanted to borrow the bird to breed a set of youngsters from it. There's a blue bar I just got off of Jimmy Johnson. Here's the tiger family. They got 2 eggs. Red model right there, youngster. That's the mother and father right there. That's the father. And that's it. This is the last batch. And yeah, that's it. I gotta separate the cocks and hens after these babies are big enough to put in the kit box. Oh, I gotta fix this sliding door. Keeps on getting jammed up on me. But there's the gang. There's an almond. I just got off of Jimmy Johnson. And that's some of the crew here. Like I said, here's my double kit box that I'll be building, working on probably today. I think I'm gonna put some box nest perches in here. And yeah, I'm making it so the pen comes out. So when the hawks are really bad over here, instead of having 3 feet, they'll have 6 feet. They'll have plenty of room. Oh, my son left his coffee cup here. He was drinking coffee out of this the other day. Yeah, I still got a lot of work to do. I didn't put the graded floors yet. See, there's the grate by the fence over there. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom into it. Yeah, there's the grate, see him? Those will be going in here on the floor. I got some more work to do on the front. I put the fan in. Put the fan in, that's gonna be running by solar. There's a little solar panel for this light and that light in here. I believe, yeah, there's a light there, solar light. Everything's gonna be running by solar. This is my kit box right now, where I housed all the birds. You know, I got vitamin in their water because they're going through a molt. It's all perched out. This is where I housed my birds when I first got them. I got some of them back off of Vinny. And there's my yellow models. My yellow model hen. Let's see if I can get a little better look at her. Yeah, you go over there, big guy. There she is. That's the hen. That's the cock. And then I got that cock bird off my friend Jay. I made it to the cream. They got a youngster here. Yeah, a little youngster there. I guess this egg ain't gonna hatch. What's wrong with it? I don't believe it's gonna hatch. I'm gonna trash it. But yeah, that cream and this bird here are the mother and father to that little baby. That's a cooked cream, and that's pot leaf and pot white bar. Yeah, nice birds. Trash the egg. As soon as they're done, I gotta split everybody up. Hawk really scared them. I don't see my youngsters around. I got younger youngsters too out. And I got these 3, they're too young to go in the kit. No, they're still young birds. I just received, oh, that bird went out. Oh, God. Oh, I hope it's around. Eddie gave me a bird. I didn't want him to fly it. He gave me the black bald head too, and this lace bird, you know. Wow, my son put the birds out and he scared the bird. I hope that's it right there on the roof. Oh, that's it. Wow, I told him just leave the door open. I should have grabbed that bird. Well, it's out. Let's see if it goes back. I hope that's it or that's it. You know? All right, Boston Rip and Roll is signing out. Everybody be safe and have a great day.